PlantCure spotlights Horehound, a rugged herb once favored by ancient healers to ease coughs and throat irritation. Modern research notes its mucus-thinning and soothing effects, while traditional teas pair Horehound with honey for gentle relief. For safe use, steep dried leaves in hot water for a calming tea, or simmer a mild infusion under supervision for children. This blends ancient wisdom with modern science as bitter compounds and anti-inflammatory actions are explored by researchers. Viewers are reminded to consult professionals for persistent symptoms and to prioritize safe, plant-powered wellness.